Hello everyone, I would like to present my final project of the second language acquisition. This final project was very interesting because it was the opportunity to apply different approach and make a quiz to differentiate the different kind of learner styles according to Gardner. There are three main ones that are the listening or auditory, the visual learner, and the kinesthetic. In my case, the visual wasn't that as important as the kinesthetic in my students of third grade. I would like to share some of the cakes that I make in this evaluation, and they are in the age where they need to develop their motor skills, and that's probably why.
Result from the electromagnetic radiation of a range of wavelengths that are visible to the eye. Radiation of these wavelengths makes up the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum called the visible spectrum. Color is also defined as the aspect of any object, such as the flower or the hummingbird, that may be described in terms of hue, saturation, and brightness. Those three characteristics are commonly used to distinguish one color from another. Hue is determined by the dominant wavelength of the visible spectrum. It is the attribute that permits colors to be classified as red, yellow, green, blue, or an intermediate color. Saturation pertains to the amount of white light mixed with a hue. High saturation colors, such as the circle on the left, contain little or no white light. Brightness refers to intensity, distinguished by the amount of shading mixed with the hue. Any desired hue of light can be produced when various amounts of two of the primary colors of light, the primary colors being red, green, and blue, are combined mechanically, either by addition or by subtraction. Additive mixing occurs when beams of light are combined. When equal parts of the primary colors of light are combined, they produce the secondary colors, magenta, cyan, and yellow. If red, green, and blue light are mixed equally, the result is white. Subtractive color mixing involves the absorption and selective transmission or reflection of light. This is also the method used by artists when they mix paint pigments. When various amounts of two of the secondary colors of light, magenta, cyan, and yellow, are combined by subtraction, they produce the primary colors red, green, and blue. If magenta, cyan, and yellow are mixed equally by subtraction, the result is black, as each pigment's hue absorbs the light of another.
That was the listening activity for the auditory learners, and we can listen and maybe imagine some aspects. Now let's see the visual activity for the visual learners. There are many pictures in this book about how to mix the colors and have a better idea about the principal main colors, yellow, blue, and red, and how they get mixed and produce the secondary colors that are in this case orange, the green, that is the summary of, and then purple. Those are the secondary colors. The exercise activity for the kinesthetic learners will be make Newton's wheel that will prove that the colors come from the white light, and the point of start is the primary colors exercise that can be making an exercise of composition with the main colors. This is the wheel. I already made that in my class, and it was a really good exercise that can be developed as diversity exercise too. Let's see. This is the book Some People Do, and it's talking about the different characteristics people can have. in their life and how beautiful and tolerant we can be with the others, to respect those different aspects and also respect ourselves and receive the same respect in any context. And it has this fun way to say it in simple words. Then we have this activity of colors, but colors related with color scheme. In conclusion, a huge difference when we talk about diversity, English culture, and the possibility of recreate these colors as a point to develop other kind of speaking and talk about many other values useful for our students. Thank you.